So, on this channel I've tested various cat-related products like litter boxes, a dryer box, and even a fantastic pet grooming kit recently. But there is always been one thing I've been always dying to try out: an automatic cat feeder. So when the folks over at HHOLOVE brand contacted me about their latest all-seater smart feeder, I couldn't contain my excitement. Not only does it promise to automate feeding, but it also acts as a 24/7 cat sitter, just as the name suggests. But the big question is, does it live up to the hype? Are there any downsides or advantages? I've been using it for around 2 weeks now, and in this video, I'll be sharing my in-depth review. Trust me, you won't want to miss the end because I will be giving you my final verdict on whether the thing is worth or not. Now without further ado, let's get started. Shall we? Bye-bye. Let's start with unboxing experience. The packaging of this product is hands down one of the most thoughtful designs I've ever come across. Not only does it feature adorable cartoon pictures and brief description of the product's capabilities in multiple languages, but here's the best part. You can actually transform the box into a cat house. How cool is that? It's a win-win situation, good for the environment and a fantastic toy for a cat. You won't believe it, but my 3 cats absolutely adore it. They even have little skirmishes over who gets to enjoy it. Now let's open the box and see what's inside. First we have the all-seater main unit, which we'll examine more closely later. Next we find the power adapter, 2 anti-collapse brackets, the bag of discount, remember it's not for eating, several sets of snaps, and a detailed manual in multiple languages. That's what we got from the box. Now, let's remove the foam that's protecting this head. And let me tell you, this is no ordinary head. It's packed with high-tech features that even my Boba acknowledges. So, what makes it so special? Well, for starters, it can rotate 110 degrees vertically and 360 degrees horizontally. It's equipped with various built-in sensors, an FHD camera that supports 4x zoom and night vision, and even a laser for some interactive fun with your favorite friends. Oh, and check out those 2 digital eyes on the panel. They display different expressions that convey different meanings. I just list them on the screen for you. That pretty much sums up the head. On the top, you also find buttons for the feed function and a convenient food storage bucket. Pressing the button releases the cover, revealing a spacious 2.5 liter bucket that can easily last a week, even with my 3 chubby cats. Moving down, we have the speaker. At the bottom, there's a handy drawer for the bowl. They've even included an installation guide in case you're not sure how to use it. How thoughtful. You can pull off the entire drawer and remove the stainless steel bowl, making it a breeze to clean. On the back, we have the power port and battery compartment. This design is great because even during power outages, they can still feed your pets. That pretty much covers all the designs of this all-seater. Oh, and after using it for a while, I discovered another design element that I really like but forgot to mention earlier, the rubber pads underneath the main unit. These pads are fantastic for providing stability, especially when my 3 cats go wild fighting for the food. No matter how intense it gets, the all-seater stays firmly in place and won't top over. Enough about that, let's put the thing to use. Boba just can't wait to eat. She's so impatient that she's even trying to nibble on the power cable, but as you'd expect, the cable is nano-braided and anti-bite. Once we connect to the power, we can then connect to all-seater's dedicated app. Now, let me tell you about the app. It's well thought out and detailed, providing basically everything you can think of. I won't go through all the details, whereas this video would be never-ending. Instead, I will just show you the features that I really like. First and foremost is the smart feeding package. How smart is it? Well, it automatically generates a suitable and healthy feeding plan based on the cat food you have. You know, the ones that list the ingredients on the packaging. It also takes into account the cat information you input. For example, for my 3 cats who are of normal weight, it recommends a balanced feeding plan. It even has options for supplements, weight loss, and even pregnant cats. Isn't that cool? It saves so much trouble because I have no idea how to properly feed them. Next, let's talk about the smart pet life record. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely amazing. Here's what it does. The camera automatically records all the adorable moments of your cats whenever it detects them within its viewing range. Just check out how many videos it has recorded. Trust me, with its wide-angle lens, limbo camera movement, 4x zoom, and accurate automatic cat tracking, no movement of your cats will be missed, whether they're walking, playing, or eating. And you know what the most interesting part is? The app cuts the daily videos into short, interesting clips called the Pet Diary. Now you can easily share these videos any way you want without having to edit them yourself. Of course, whenever you are feeling bored or stuck in office and missing your favorite friends, you can enter the video interface and have some fun with them. You can control the cloud station to find where your cats are, dispense their food, call them to eat,
Come to eat.
and even play with them using the laser. They never seem to get tired of the laser, as if they have a real friend to play with. It's hilarious. Thirdly, what I really like about this app is how detailed it is in the settings. You can change the video quality, choose the night vision style, and even select the shape for the laser motion track. And of course, I have to mention the cat edition of the Do Not Disturb mode. No one wants to be disturbed when they're sleeping or busy, right? You can easily set it up here. Oh, and there is also the private mode. You can switch it off for 12 or 24 hours, during which the machine will continue to dispense food on schedule, but the camera will be turned off. It's great because I don't want others to see me in my pajamas at home. As I mentioned before, overall the app is incredibly detailed, well thought out, and intuitive. Even new users can become familiar with it in just a few minutes. Now to address the most important question, do my cats love using it? Absolutely! The feeding experience is fantastic. Unlike other cat feeders that have specific requirements for food sizes or shapes, the HHOLOVE is designed to work with all types of freeze-dried cat food up to 30 millimeters, allowing you to mix and match and provide the best nutrition for your pet. No jamming, no shortage, and most importantly, no interruptions. As I mentioned before, the backup battery ensures that the machine will continue to dispense food even during a power failure. So after considering everything, I reached my final conclusion about the HHOLOVE Smart Feeder. It has exceeded my expectations, not only as a reliable and visible feeding solution, but also as an interactive companion robot. The laser amusement feature, the ability to communicate in real time through pet calling and voice interaction, and that incredible smart cat life recording. Gosh, it captures all of my cat's lovely moments without missing a single thing. And let's not forget about the smart feeding plan. It ensures my cat's nutritional needs are met and saves me a ton of trouble. Now I can finally travel with peace of mind, knowing my cats are well taken care of. I recommend HHOLOVE Smart Feeder. It's a worthwhile investment for cat owners who want convenience, entertainment, and deeper connection with their favorite friends. Alright, that is the video. So what do you think about this HHOLOVE? And if you are interested in this product, please check out the link in the description and back the project now. It has the best price to offer because of the crowdfunding campaign. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.